situation here. There's some old plaster on there before. Hasn't stuck to the paintwork properly. Certainly all these cracked out by Lath and Plaster. Goodness. It doesn't pay to build up on that calcimine paint. There's quite a bit of build up there. At the fireplace here, the side of a chimney, there's a big crack in it, so we're going to open this now. Some of the repair work here before where I've used, looks like just straight plastic I've used. A bit of build up there on the old plaster. And a bit of tape's been put in. It's a plasterboard here, I think. Okay. Okay, so it's about opened up there. Put sand and plaster in there. Okay. The hairline cracks up there. You've got to do all this along the hallway. A little blower blowing the dust out on them. Take off. It's got tape in this corner, but it doesn't really work too well. solid plaster. Yeah, a bit bigger now. Okay, dust it out. Mixing up. And corner cement here. Just getting a calcium off. Just like that, yeah, just brushing that calcium off because it won't stick to it, the paint. All powder calcium paint. We leave it on there, it's quite likely just to fall off again like it had. We're just putting a bit of water on the cracks now. Just a bit of wet down. We'll mix up some sand and plaster for this sand. There's a man. You're just filling them up, corner cement. You're just filling them up. And your first coat. Just mixing up a bit of render using that plaster about 5:1 and triple wash. White sand is in there already. That's it dry there. So I've soaked that sand. I'm just going to put in it, mix it up. Take a bit of mixing, you've got to get right down, probably better to do it in that pot actually, but yeah, that's the way I normally do it, that pot. For some reason I've used the bucket. Okay, we'll mix that up and I'll bring that in. Okay, we'll start filling this up. I moved that into the other container, much easier to mix in that container in the bucket. Up a bit more. I'm going to make sure the sand's mixed well in with that plaster, or else it won't have any strength. Just virtually putting it on, just moving it to there, just putting it, not throwing it.
Okay, moving up the wall here. I've got to scrape this back before it actually goes hard as it's sitting. Okay, I'll have to let that set a bit and we'll give it a scrape back into shape. Okay, flatten off. Yes, I'll give it a scrape off in a minute. Okay, we'll give it a bit of a scrape off. Scrape the edge back level with the existing. Scrapes back nicely this sand and plaster. I suppose about 25 minutes or so since I mixed it. That's pretty close. Ready to the polishing stage here, just splash a bit of water on. Just a fine polishing coat we want for the end. I'll just use a bit of water to get that as well. And that's how we want it to come up about like that.
Of what? Just the wall?
No work.
I had to get a bucket of water because to get a bucket. That's why I had to get.
Okay, you hold it up. Water on. With the spray.
Hold on. Oh, got it. Hey, stop it.
No, keep it going.
Okay.
Timing's critical in this, if you miss it. It's easier to polish just as it's going on,
Right.
rather than set. Still a bit soft there, so we'll do in this fireplace around here. Just get rid of this plaster.
Can use it up.
let's go in here.
Yeah. I see.
Okay, we'll give it a scrape back in a minute. Got another mix of sand up there yet? Yeah?
No, it's in the cup.
Oh, okay. Let's have a bit of a scrape back. Okay, we'll get the top of that chimney to do. Leave it on now, wait that till that takes up a bit and give it a scrape off. Okay, we'll give this top of the chimney a bit of a scrape back. That's not a bit harder here. It makes a difference catching it at the right time.
And undo it?
No, you just undo it with your hand. Yeah.
You're joking.
Yeah.
No?
Just hold this for a second, Gary, while I finish here. Yes, mate. Oh, I broke it. Yeah, it's important to catch it at the right time. I'm going to go a little bit late.
It's a bit harder, eh?
Yeah. Much harder. We'll get it. Just using this real sharp cutting edge here to get it off. Okay. That's a very good example of what happens if you miss the setting time a bit. That's a lot more work, but eventually if you leave it too long you have to knock it out with a hammer. I think so timing's sort of essential. We'll put the top coat on here next, a white set. Okay, we're ready to put some white on this top section of the chimney. Okay, I'll do a touch more of that and I'll wait until it takes up a bit and come and polish it up. There's a little bit of cracking in this corner, so patch that up. Okay, that's about as good as we're going to get the first coat. I'll come back, shape it up a bit more and finish it off. Bring this sponge down, get down.
That's good already.
Good.
Got that antique look about it.
Yeah, that's right. Just a fine polish. Light wet plaster. Not too much.
Just a hole.
Okay. Just doing the final polish on the chimney. Yeah, quite good.
Just
That's
needs
all
a
done.
fine
Just a
sand
fine sand.
before it gets
Yeah.
undercoat and
Yep.
Gotta have enough patch undercoat.
And the cracks here, screwed the cornice up. More cracks in the Lath and Plaster on here.
that's hopefully your problem.
And there, and fix the joins up. Screws. And that's about it. Hope you've enjoyed that.
What's going on?
All the best.
Come on,
Catch you
man.
again.
Come on, man.
Bye bye.
I got home.